Learn new words with their meanings. Helpful when trying to improve your English vocabulary.
Bourgeois, middle class, selfishly materialistic, dully conventional.
Bow, inclination of head or bending of body for reverence, respect, civility, or submission. Bending or
Rounded part of ship forward.
bowl, throw or roll a ball. Move quickly and smoothly, especially by rolling.
Boycott, refrain from buying or using.
Brace, something which holds anything tightly or supports it firmly, as bandage, cord, or rod. Brain, organ or seat of intellect, understanding or imagination. Brake, a piece of mechanism for retarding or stopping motion by friction.
Brand, burning piece of wood, mark made by burning with a hot iron, distinctive mark upon it any way.
Breach, breaking of contract or duty.
Breadth, measure or dimension from side to side, width, extent. Break, opportunity to do something. Pause or interval, as from work, sudden change.
Breakdown, process of failing to function or continue. Sudden collapse in physical or mental health. Summary of itemized data. Breakthrough, act of overcoming or penetrating an obstacle or restriction. Breath, air that is inhaled and exhaled in respiration.
Breathe, respire, inhale and exhale air. Breed, raise, produce offspring, give birth to or hatch, mate.
Breeze, light current of air, gentle wind, progress swiftly and effortlessly. Bribe, something serving to influence or persuade. Reward or gift with a view to prevent judgment.
Bridle, headgear with which a horse is directed and which carries a bit and reins.
Brief, short in time, duration, length or extent. Concise.
Brighten, lighten, cheer, encourage, make or become bright or brighter. Brilliance, cleverness, magnificence, brilliant, full of light, shining, bright, sharp and clear in tone. Brim, brink, edge, margin, or border of a steep place.